Hey guys, as you can see, we are on to another topic, and today's topic is going to be on Amazon deals. So guys, as you log into your Seller Central account, here in the advertising tab, on the fifth column you will find the deals tab, and you have to click on this link. And after clicking on this link, Amazon will bring you to this page, and here you in this create a new deal tab, you have to click on this link. And after clicking this create a new deal link, it will bring you to this page. And here in this tab you have to search your Asian that you want to put on deal, and you have to hit the search button, and you can create a 7-day deals or lightning deals. For example, here you can see lightning deals is like this. You can create this type of deals for a limited time, or you can create a deal of the day or something savings and sales deals. But guys, what happens is, if you are a new seller, then your SN won't be eligible for the deal, but you can check from time to time in this by coming here in this deals tab and searching your putting your SN here and hitting on the search button whether you are eligible for the deal or not. So guys, it takes some time for your product to be eligible for this deals, this lightning deals and 7-day deals, if you are new to Amazon, guys. So hope you understand what this deals actually is, and I'll be showing you another topic in my next video.